walkway? Seth put this together this morning for Dad. You can pull up closer too. Pull up all the way. You know, maybe I'll hang a tennis ball from that branch right there, so you know how far to pull up.
Being conservative.
Okay. What do you think?
Nice.
Little progress.
Yeah.
I'm making a video. If you couldn't tell, you want to say hi to the world?
Hello, world.
Do you have any message for the people who are still asleep out there? Yeah, Seth put this together for Dad, so it's easier for him to get out of the car, get up into the house. Let's continue our tour.
I'm on fire! I'm on fire!
That motorhome is back here. Let's take a quick walk over here, show you the updates on the pond. Trees out, all this is going to be gone real soon here. So after a hard day's work at Reddick Rancho, you just come on out here, go behind the curtain, fire up the super water heater. It's always heated up. Back up, sorry, going too fast here. There's the walkway. Come on in. Oh look, there's already shampoo and conditioner. Fire it up, here's the shower. Look out at the pond. It's coming along. Not quite ready yet. Ooh, somebody's watching me. Totally hidden in here. Very private. Or not, if you want to open the curtain. So yeah, that's what's happening today at Reddick Rancho. There's Butters. Hi, Butters. What are you doing, Butters? Butters is making sure the dog pen is secure. He's an escape artist and he hasn't gotten out yet. What do you have to say, Butters? Huh? Huh? Hey. Okay. I've been off the tractor too long. The guys are gonna get upset. Thank you for coming to our tour.